Most would agree that Renault's family SUVs have not been especially effective of late. Regardless of imparting all its mechanical underpinnings to the famous Nissan Qashqai, the dead Kadjar couldn't come near its kin's marketing projections, while the bigger Koleos was much to a greater extent a clammy stunt. Presently, having ideally taken in its examples, Renault is back with the new Austral, a vehicle that replaces the Kadjar as the foundation of the brand's SUV range. On paper, everything is falling perfectly into place. Shrewd half-and-half powertrains and innovation fueled by Android as opposed to, in the Kadjar, what we can accept at least for now that World Amstrads propose that this is a significantly more able option, in contrast to famous models from Nissan, Kia and Peugeot. However, the family SUV market is tremendously serious, and brands across the range have sent off cool, created and tasteful models that go about their business really well. Like its ancestor, the new Austral offers a similar essential construction as Nissan's Qashqai, however the planned subtleties are distinctly Renault. A major grille, boomerang-style headlights and an enormous Renault identification leave you in no question with regards to who constructs the vehicle. Yet, it isn't particularly unmistakable regardless of that. The fundamental shape is genuinely unexceptional, and keeping in mind that the Austral is without a doubt present day, it looks a piece non-exclusive close by the most recent family SUVs. All things considered, it absolutely isn't hostile to check out, and it's more attractive than a portion of its greatest opponents. It looks more engaging than the ongoing Toyota RAV4, for instance. Its absence of flair additionally maybe makes it less polarizing than the Hyundai Tucson and Kia Sportage, and it's less difficult than the Honda CR-V, as well. The Austral is likewise spearheading the new Spree snow-capped trim level, which offers sportier plan than the standard vehicle, however accompanies no mechanical overhauls. Consider it a substitution for the RS line trim level, or Renault's likeness Passages Street line. In the Austral, that implies there's some snow-capped badging and marked wheel plans, yet there's nothing else to it.